With belief comes greatness and thriving happiness. As Tony Robbins once said, beliefs have the power to create and the power to destroy. When you believe, you can have more energy, mental clarity, a stronger immune system, and optimal health. Even if you do not believe it, you can. Get the Screw the Scaly course today and start your journey toward greatness. In this C-course, you will learn how to cope with your emotions with kindness, how to ditch the diet mentality and tap into how you feel. You will learn how to create realistic, healthy habits for sustainable health and so much more.
I've added several downloadable ebooks and training guides to further set you up for success. And here's what you get. My 10-day green smoothie detox plan. And these 10 days of green smoothie recipes will have you losing up to 15 pounds. And this all comes with a modified eating plan to assist you with the ease in transitioning into 10 days of full green smoothies. Next, you're going to get the low carb recipe pack. And in this recipe pack, you'll discover the collection of 40 low carb recipes, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, treats, and a 2-week meal planner, and so much more. Next, I've added the simple workout plan for beginners, and this is a realistic and sustainable yet challenging workout that will accelerate your results. And this plan comes with tips on how to melt fat like butter, the secret supplements that's going to turn your bodies into fat burning machines. And just a little hint, one of these supplements may already be in your kitchen. This workout plan can slow down aging, give you better skin and higher energy all day, and so much more. I've added the Supercharge Your Body ebook. And in this ebook, you're going to learn how maintaining a healthy lifestyle is an advantage when it comes to strengthening your immune system. This ebook is going to cover how to charge your immune system in 21 days and stay healthy. It's going to give you 6 supplements that are essential to improve your body's immunity. You're going to learn how to charge and boost your immunity with daily activities and so much more. I've added the daily affirmation handbook, and this comprehensive handbook gives you 365 powerful affirmations to help you manifest your desires and live the life of your dreams. And just some of the things that you'll learn is what positive affirmations are and how they work to manifest your desires. You're going to learn how to make affirmations work for you and what you need to do to ensure they're effective. You're going to perform better academically, athletically, and at work. You're going to enjoy a lower level of stress every day and so much more. Last but not least, I've added the Disciplined Mind Training Guide. Discipline is not just about achieving your goals. It's also about becoming a better person. So with this step-by-step guide, you're going to get an understanding of the importance of discipline. And just some of the things you'll learn is you'll learn how to identify certain mindsets that you may not be aware of that can get in the way of you becoming a more disciplined person. You're going to understand the different types of discipline out there and so much more.